This scam impersonated crypto exchange support teams and drained millions from users trying to recover their own funds. Across the US, UK, Europe, and Asia, victims searching for help were redirected to fake support channels. They believed they were speaking to official representatives from real platforms. The scam started when users faced login issues, frozen accounts, or delayed withdrawals. Fake support agents responded quickly, creating a sense of urgency and authority. Victims were instructed to verify accounts, share codes, or transfer funds for security checks. In many cases, entire wallet balances were emptied within minutes of following these instructions. What made this scam effective was that it targeted people at the exact moment they were already seeking help. As cryptocurrency adoption increased, millions of users began relying on online exchanges to manage their funds. These platforms handled account access, trading, and withdrawals through digital interfaces. When issues occurred, users turned to search engines and social media to find support quickly. Unlike traditional banking, support channels were often decentralized and varied by platform. This created confusion about where official assistance could be found. At the same time, scammers began positioning themselves within search results and comment sections. In reported cases across the US and Europe, fake support contacts appeared before official ones. This environment made it easy for users to connect with attackers while believing they were contacting legitimate help. The scam typically began when users searched online for help with a specific exchange issue. Fake websites, ads, or social media replies presented contact numbers or live chat links. These listings often used names and logos identical to real crypto platforms. Victims reached out believing they were contacting official support channels. The response was immediate, with agents claiming to assist with account recovery or verification. In multiple cases across the UK and Asia, scammers initiated screen sharing or guided users step by step. The interaction felt structured, professional, and aligned with expected support processes. At this stage, trust was established through branding, speed, and apparent technical knowledge. Once contact was established, the scam moved into controlled troubleshooting steps. Victims were asked to share account details, verification codes, or install remote access tools. Some were guided through wallet interfaces, while scammers observed or directed actions in real time. The explanation often involved security checks or temporary transfers to protect funds. In several cases, users were instructed to move assets into safe wallets controlled by the scammers. Transactions were presented as reversible or part of a verification process. Behind the scenes, funds were immediately transferred across multiple wallets to reduce traceability. The structure created compliance, where victims followed instructions believing they were securing their accounts. As the method proved effective, scammers expanded by targeting multiple exchanges and regions simultaneously. Search engine ads and fake support pages were replicated across different languages and countries. Social media accounts were created to respond instantly to users posting about account issues. Some groups operated call centers, handling large volumes of victims in parallel. Reports from Europe and Asia showed identical scripts used across different exchange names. Affiliate-style setups emerged, where operators shared templates and infrastructure with new entrants. In several cases, the same phone numbers were reused under different platform identities. What appeared as isolated support incidents was actually a coordinated system operating at scale. Despite the professional appearance, consistent warning signs appeared across cases. Official exchanges rarely ask for full account credentials or real-time screen sharing. Requests to transfer funds for verification or security checks were not part of legitimate processes. Support channels found through ads or unsolicited replies often led to fake operations. In many reports, scammers created urgency to prevent users from checking official sources. Payment instructions always involved irreversible transactions through crypto wallets. Regulators and agencies noted repeated patterns across different platforms and regions. The difficulty was that these signs appeared only after users were already engaged in the process. As complaints increased, multiple agencies began tracking these impersonation networks. The Federal Bureau of Investigation and Europol issued alerts about fake crypto support scams. Investigators identified clusters of fraudulent domains mimicking real exchange websites. Blockchain analysis linked stolen funds to wallets reused across multiple incidents. Search platforms were pressured to remove malicious ads and misleading support listings. Telecom providers flagged numbers associated with repeated fraud reports. In some cases, coordinated takedowns targeted entire networks operating across regions. The investigation confirmed a system built on impersonation, timing, and user confusion rather than technical breaches. This scam exposed a gap between user behavior and platform design in digital finance. People trusted the first available support channel rather than verified official sources. Branding and speed were enough to replace authentication in moments of urgency. The system did not require hacking, only convincing users to act against their own security. What failed was not the technology of exchanges, but the process of accessing trusted help. Experts now emphasize using official apps and verified websites for any support interaction. The broader risk extends beyond crypto to any service where support can be impersonated. The long-term lesson is clear. Access to help must be verified as carefully as access to funds.